Welcome back, folks. We are on to another team task. It's called team collaboration. And teamwork makes the dream work, as my mentor, John Maxwell, would say. And it's true. When teams are so divided that there's no collaboration, there's no really working together, it's just drudgery. It's just not good. And being an Agile certified practitioner, there's an expectation that you as a team member, as a certified practitioner, are also a leader. So when you see teams going through some peaks and valleys, you got to remember this thing we call the Tuckman model, the 5 stages of team development. And in these 5 stages, as you might remember, there's some key words along the way. Some folks will be very independent in the beginning. When there's conflict, you're in the storming stage for the most part. But just remember, whenever you add people to the team, you could go all the way back to the beginning, and they could be forming and then storming. Norming is where you begin collaboration, but you're not fully functional as a well-oiled unit. You get to interdependence when you get to the performing stage. And then mourning is just waste. I never really thought about it as that until Roy did mention this is a bad place that you don't want to be, because after all that synergy and work that the team has done in bonding and functioning as a well-oiled unit, why would you even take that away? It just defeats the whole purpose of being agile and working together on a dedicated team, right, Roy?
Yeah, and that tends to happen when you're in organizations that build project teams. Project team being you start the project, you build a team, they do the project, it ends, and you break up the team. Well, guess what happens? They go to adjourning. Every single time a project ends, they're enjoying what they're working on, they're enjoying working with each other, and then you break them apart, right? This is just organizationally, it's one of the worst things that we do.
Very poor choice. So going back to the actual task, encouraging team members to share knowledge and to be free, it comes with time. And imagine being on a team for like a year and you're finally getting to that point where everyone is letting down their guard, function as a well-oiled unit, synergy left, right, and center, inside jokes. Everyone is so on the same page to just take the rug under their feet away. Not a good thing.
Yep.
Not a good thing. So, Roy, what else could we do when we talk about lowering risks around knowledge silos and reducing bottlenecks? Any ideas about that one?
Yeah, we run into this one all the time. Organizations tend to value the individual experience, and there is value in that. I'm not saying it's not valuable, but they build teams of experience or skill sets. They build individuals as high levels of experience that work in their silos. And then we start building an agile team where we're saying co-locate and cross-functional and all these things, but we're a team of specialists. So the collaboration never happens. Team members don't step outside of their skill sets. You can't distribute work. You can't, you're always looking to keep that skill set busy. So now you're doing resource allocation rather than value focus. We're focusing on keeping busy, right? That's not our intent. If I've got somebody, even a highly paid individual with a specific skill set, I want that person to do any work that we throw at them. Right? Any work that needs to be done by the team, we want to allocate that person's capacity for the thing that's most valuable, which may not be that person's skill set. So we want to think about risk at an organizational project level, not just inside of the team. Let's start looking at work across the team and get rid of those silos inside the team and stop the skill set siloing. Really, really bad stuff for productivity.
Great stuff, Roy. And that's it for task 7. Team collaboration. Teamwork makes the dream work.